Hi there, have you already encountered a situation where you are only getting a CSV and a JSON URL within the result objects of your latest Phantom launch? This happens many times, when the data you will get in output is too large and heavy to be displayed directly into the platform. So instead of still trying to show this huge amount of data and get everything slower, we only display the CSV and JSON links that you can then access. So you can then download or send this data anywhere you will need. In this video, I will explain you how to access the data from the CSV or JSON link. Let's dive in. Lately, I was trying to extract all my followers, and as you can see on the screen, it's almost 14,000 of them. So this is a very good example with the extraction of a huge amount of data. If we click on the activity tab and then on view log, we will be able to check the result objects. On the result object, as I was mentioning on the introduction of this video, we are not getting any data. And we are not showing the first names, last names, profiles, and so on. Instead of this, we are getting the CSV and the JSON links. This is because showing more than 13,000 LinkedIn profiles will be too much data. And instead, we prefer to output you the JSON and the CSV links. But you still need to get access to this data. So we will see how you can do it with an A10. On an A10 now, I created a workflow and selected the PhantomBuster node get the output of an agent. So there I will select the right phantom, which is the LinkedIn profile follower collector, and I can click on execute step. As you can see in the output, I'm getting the CSV URL and the JSON URL that I will now like to access, so then I can use this data. Either I can send it somewhere else or I can save it on my laptop. Let's go back on the workflow and search for the HTTP request. We will make an API call on the JSON URL. The method will be the get, and then we will grab the JSON URL that we will put under a URL. At this stage, nothing more to do. I can click on execute step. The node was executed successfully. On the right part of the screen, under outputs, you can see that I got 13,000 items. So these are all the people following me on LinkedIn. If I click on JSON, I will see data as a JSON. So now I could use this data and send it to my CRM or to a Google spreadsheet or wherever I need, because I now have access to this data as I would have had access from the PhantomBuster platform if the data was not too large. We did the API call on the JSON, but it's also possible to do it on the CSV. If I take the CSV URL and put it here, and then execute step, you will see that I'm also getting a result. And here I could download the file. So this is all for this video, a very simple way to access the data from a JSON or a CSV URL that we are displaying as a result object when the data within your Phantom launch is too large. I hope this video was useful. Thank you very much for listening and see you in the next one.